Welcome to our tutorial on creating a credit application from a sales hub. You can create an independent credit application directly from the Credit Applications tab, but the best practice is to do it from an existing sales hub, so the information can be transferred over into the application. Once you're in the desired sales hub, click Start Credit App. First, select an application type. You can choose whether an individual or business application. If you include a co-applicant, the relevant fields will be generated. As you can see, the information in the sales hub is transferred over. You can enter any missing applicant information and make sure to include a social security number. Next, you can fill in current and previous address information. Enter current employment and other income information, then click Save to complete the Details tab. Next, you can enter a personal reference for the applicant and click Save. Now, go to the Bank Reference tab. Enter the bank and credit information and click Save. Fill out the Vehicles tab, and finally you can include insurance information. To submit the credit application, select the Credit Report tab. Choose the credit report type from the pick list. Select one or more bureaus from the list and move them into Selected. Then click Pull Report. Thank you for watching our tutorial on creating a credit application in DealerTeam.